Hey everybody, welcome to Keto Alicious, and today I've got something a little different for you. I've been traveling and I am here at my sister's visiting with her. This is Ursula, my sister, and we are sitting outside. We are enjoying the beautiful weather. It's probably about 70 degrees here and we haven't been together for a long time, so I wanted to bring her in. And she also runs a YouTube channel, so I've been getting some advice from her and taking it all in, and I thought it was time for me to do a video as well. I haven't done one in a few days, so this is kind of different for me, but I could not take away from this beautiful day. And if you can see behind me, this pool that she has is amazing, and she has this gorgeous backyard and gorgeous home. So I just needed a few days of R&R, and I wasn't going to do any videos. I wasn't going to do anything, but you know what? She just kind of inspires me to get my butt in busy mode and talk about different things that we all look forward to. And I'll tell you what, R&R and relaxation is probably one of the most important things that you can do for yourself. A lot of times I talk about different emotional things and motivation, and wouldn't you agree? There's nothing better than just sitting outside and just having some,
letting your creative juices flow.
Yeah, just
because when you have time to be still and just be in the moment, and just not have the outside noise and the TV noise, that's when your creativity flows even more and you get more ideas. And
absolutely,
it's just a win-win. And that's why vacations are so important, is to go and check out and not be rushed and hurried, and because that's when you can really think and repair and energize.
Absolutely.
So that's kind of what we're doing today. We took our dog for a walk, and we've been on these little hammock chairs and laying out, putting some sunscreen on. We haven't quite got our swimsuits on today yet, but we probably will get in the hot tub again. We did yesterday.
Yeah.
So probably after this we'll get back into the hot tub and just enjoy. There's nothing on our schedule today. We purposely made nothing on our schedule just so that we could just have some sister time and some time of reflection good. And just so we're hoping to get your channel up and running and give you some different things besides just cooking in the kitchen. She's hoping to introduce some things about her life other than just in the kitchen cooking, but just like she did with the planting, the plants, and she was painting her shed the other day, and I said you should just incorporate all of that into your videos, because people want to see somebody who has a real life. Right. Somebody who's actually doing things and that are interesting. And so she's hoping to maybe incorporate some stuff like that instead of just recipes,
Yeah, and as much as I love my kitchen, I mean, now that it's getting nicer, I want to be outside. There's a lot of things I like to do, and even though my channel is called Keto Alicious, I really feel like I'm still a real person. I have a real life, and so I think I'm going to start incorporating some different things in there, and I'll always do the recipes too, but I really think that I'm just going to change it up a bit and see what you guys think, and you guys will be the judge of it. You tell me what you think, and if it works, or if it doesn't work, I'm sure I'll hear about it, and we'll just keep trying different things until
keep on trucking.
Keep on a trucking.
And then, like, some people just addressed it, let me see different things,
and isn't
like her tattoo. Look at her tattoo.
It's so nice to just be free and not have shoes on, because I wear shoes and try to wear kind of nice clothes in the kitchen, but it's also very nice to be able to just have shorts on and have just a really comfy top and no shoes and just be free, and it feels good. So sunglasses, no makeup, hair in a ponytail, it feels real, guys, and that's what I am, is just a real person. So anyway, this is going to be short and sweet. I wanted to introduce my sister because we're going to be in her kitchen the next few days and doing different things with my sister, probably dining out, doing some challenging things that way, bringing you some daily motivation. And until next time, guys, I love you. Make sure and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.